Hey everyone, no video this week. I was editing and I've had so many computer issues that it I don't know what to say. Um, I guess my new drive part reinitialized, uninitialized, whatever, formatted itself because my computer it keeps cutting power. It keeps cutting power whenever I do anything and it reboots automatically. I bought parts, but I was super deep into an edit and it was going to be a fun video and I was kind of proud of it, but I can't edit like this. So, no video. Um should have a video up next week. I think I'll be able to get the computer parts, all that installed or whatever. Um but it's a mess. Okay, we're getting rid of that CPU, this graphics card. I should consider a bigger power supply. I need to think about cooling, and then there's also some SSDs mounted on the back of there. But I've had it, and I'm sorry. I'm trying to be consistent, but I can't with this computer. So yeah, I mean, it was gonna be about that, but not this week.